Today is the 14th day. I'll talk on Unlearn to Relearn, the myth of busyness, why you feel exhausted but unfulfilled. My dear friends, you are not tired because you did too much. You are tired because you did too little of what mattered. Today, we expose busyness as a badge of burnout and teach you how to unlearn toxic productivity. Namaskar. I'm 𝗧𝗵𝗲 𝗪𝗏, best-selling author, resilience strategist, work-life balance coach. My dear friend, I welcome you on the 14th day of Unlearn to Relearn. Let me say this upfront. Busyness is not a badge of honor. It is a distraction disguised as importance. You are not exhausted because you are lazy. You are exhausted because you are pouring energy into tasks that don't serve your deepest goals. Here is the psychology of busyness. According to a 2023 report from American Psychological Association, more than 62% of professionals report feeling constantly overwhelmed, not from overwork, but from low-impact task overload. This is called pseudo-productivity. It tricks your brain into feeling accomplished while keeping you far from real progress. You are replying to emails at 11 p.m., updating slides at midnight, but deep inside, you feel empty. Why? Because activity without alignment creates burnout. Here I present you the case study of 𝗧𝗵𝗲 from India. 𝗧𝗵𝗲, 38, was a communication lead in Bangalore. She managed 5 teams, more than 100 emails daily, endless meetings. She felt productive yet behind. A career coach asked her, which 3 tasks move your needle every week? She couldn't answer. That realization shook her. She implemented a 2-hour deep impact block every morning. No meetings, no emails, just meaningful work. Now she leads strategy at a startup with 60% less work time and double the clarity. Here is the second case study. Thomas from Spain. Thomas, 42, ran an advertising agency in Barcelona. He glorified hustle. 18 hours days, 6 screens, constant action, but his revenue plateaued and his relationship collapsed. During a burnout retreat, he journaled, I work all day, but I don't feel I am alive. That's when he unlearned this lie. Busy is not equal to valuable. He restructured his business, automated non-code tasks, and now coaches others on intelligent prioritization. Here are the key insights. Busyness numbs you. It gives you the illusion of progress without the payoffs. Here is the truth. If everything is important, nothing truly is. Clarity creates results. Busyness just creates fatigue. Here are journal prompts for you, my dear friend. Write this. What 80% of my efforts brings only 20% of results. Observe, this is opposite to the Pareto law. Pareto principle says what 20% of your jobs gives you 80% productivity. Here it is just opposite. That is what is defined to be busyness. Now write, what small shift can I make today to protect my highest value hour? Affirmation, I don't glorify exhaustion anymore. I honor aligned action. I choose clarity over chaos. Here are the free tools for you. Anti-business blueprint. Heard for the first time? Anti-business blueprint. Because you look around, everybody is busy, you know. You look around, anybody around. Look at the road, look at the crowd, look at the office, look at this cafeteria, go anywhere. All are busy. So now, here I offer you the anti-business blueprint. Antidote. Number one, pseudo-productivity self-audit, which is not actually productive. It is pseudo-productive. Deep impact block, calendar model. Third, 3-layer time filter, as we have discussed earlier. Urgent, important, and essential. DM day 14 to get your toolkit instantly. Here is call to action. Comment, busy doesn't mean better. I choose aligned work. DM day 14 for your blueprint. Tag a friend running on fumes. Help him. Tag a friend running on fumes. Subscribe because day 15 is about relearning discipline. Why motivation fails and system wins. System will always win. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Thank you very much.